In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the board cover in Miro. Whether you're looking to personalize your Miro workspace or simply want to keep things organized with a specific visual touch, changing your board cover is a simple yet effective way to do just that. Let's dive into the process. First, start by opening the board whose cover you want to change. Once you have your board open and ready in front of you, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the board title. Clicking on the board title will bring up a pop-up menu with several options catering to various board settings and configurations. Among these options, look for and select Change Thumbnail. This is your gateway to customizing your board's appearance in Miro. Upon choosing Change Thumbnail, you'll encounter what's known as the Select Thumbnail dialog. This handy little tool provides you with 3 distinct paths for altering your board's thumbnail, each with its own perks. The first option on this list is selecting from Miro's default icons. These readily available icons can offer a quick and easy solution if you're in need of a change and don't have a specific image in mind. If, however, you have a particular image that better represents your board's content or theme, you can choose to upload a custom image directly from your device. This option supports a variety of image formats, including JPG, PNG, GIF, and BMP, and allows for images up to 30 MB in size. So feel free to pick that striking picture that truly captures the essence of your board. The third option allows for a more integrated approach by letting you select a specific area of your board to serve as the thumbnail. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of the dialog and click the Select Board Area option. You'll then be able to drag over the particular region of your board that you wish to highlight as your new cover. This customized focus can be especially useful for boards that have distinctive areas you want to emphasize. After you've made your selection, whether it's a default icon, a custom image, or a board area, go ahead and click Done to finalize and save your choice. You'll notice that your board's updated thumbnail will now be visible when you view it in the dashboard grid or list view, and it will also appear in the board details. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to give your Miro boards a fresh look that's perfectly tailored to your preference. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're inspired to customize your boards to better suit your organizational or creative needs. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Miro!